Hey everyone, my name is Sharice. If you are new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So I am currently 28 weeks pregnant, if you did not know. So I am preparing for our little baby that's due December 22nd. I think she's gonna come early though. I really have a feeling she's gonna come early. So anyway, this video is going to be a PATPAT baby clothing haul. Everything comes packaged individually in these little baggies, which I thought was like nice, just in case like your box gets caught in the mail or caught in the rain or something like that. They'll have like a little bit extra protection. It was annoying taking every single thing out of the bags though, just because I'm heavy, okay? And bending over to take all the stuff out, oh my god. So anyway, I purchased these items on September 13th and my box arrived September 26th, which I thought was super fast. The tracking didn't even like update or anything like that. I just got a knock on the door and the box was there. I do remember because I spent over $100, I had two options for shipping, but I accidentally clicked like the regular shipping instead of the expedited. So the fact that it still came super fast, A+ on that. Okay, let me stop rambling because there is a lot to get through. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is these little cutie socks. These were listed for $2.99 and I'm pretty sure I purchased these because I needed to get to a certain price point to be able to use my coupon. But these are super cute. I like the little design on the actual sock, and then they have like the little lace on them, and these are 0 to 3 month socks. I actually want to get Avery some socks like this. I think that'd be so cute because she wears a lot of like skirts and dresses. So I want to get her some socks like that as well. Then one of the things I was most excited about once I opened this, I was like, what the fuck? I'm so confused. So this was the most expensive thing that I purchased. It was listed for $22.99, which I kind of felt like was a little expensive, but I really wanted it, so whatever. And it's this little knit. They have it listed as like a romper, but this little knit thing, it is huge, y'all. This is supposed to be 0 to 3 months. This is huge. Like you can't even... Like, I don't know whose little ham hock child is fitting in this straight out the womb. But, yeah, whatever. So, it's that, and then it has, like, a cute little hat with a pom-pom. I thought this was so adorable. But if this baby is anything like Avery, she's not going to be able to fit this until, like, August. Like, I don't understand. We'll see how that works out. The next thing I got is also big. I don't know. This next item is also huge, and this was listed for $4.19, and I thought this was so cute. This is also supposed to be 0 to 3 months, but it looks huge. Once again, it has no feet, and I just thought this would be cute for, you know, when it gets really cold. Not that it gets that cold, we live in Texas, but you know, when it gets Texas type cold, I thought this would be cute to just bundle the baby up in. This one's my least favorite. This is also 0 to 3 months. I'm glad I only got one of these. It looks cute. I love the color, and it's just little snaps instead of like actual buttons or anything. This is not that soft. It's a ribbed material, which I really liked. Ribbed material you'll see with everything else that I have. But this is just not that soft. It's not like rough and scratchy, but it's not as soft as I would want it to be. It has these cute little mittens attached so the baby doesn't scratch herself. This is 3 to 6 months, and this was listed as $6.99. It's just cute and striped. I think the color was listed as like a gray green, which is just sage. Like this is, they could have just said sage. I really like the little wooden buttons. It looks like it might be, I don't know if that's an apple or a butterfly. It could be both. This little cute outfit was listed as $10.99, and this is a 3 to 6 month. So cute, oh my gosh. And it has like a little ribbon for a little hair bow as well. These shorts, I believe I also grabbed just to reach my little price point that I needed to reach, but these are just some 3 to 6 month shorts, and these were $2.99. This is another item that I'm so glad I only got one of, because I would have actually been really pissed off if I got several of these, which was what I was going to do. This is 3 to 6 months. This was listed as $7.99, and it has like the little rainbow situation. The quality of this is pure garbage. Like this is, no. I'm probably gonna cut this little patch off because I don't understand why this patch, like it just looks so cheap. Let me get closer so you guys can see. Do you see this? Y'all, what the fuck is this? If my nails are dirty, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, they are dirty. What the fuck? So as far as quality, out of everything that I have today that I'm showing you, though, that's the worst. And it's literally just because of the patch. Like this actually feels nice. It's nice and stretchy and it's soft. But this patchwork, these two items were both listed as $4.99, and they were listed as clearance. So I have, this one is 6 to 9 months. It's just little cactus, little cacti. And the material is like super lightweight. So I'm hoping this will fit her when it's really warm here. So like the summer and then early fall months. I'm hoping these will fit her. And then this little one was 3 to 6. Yeah, 3 to 6. It's just a little fish. Nice and lightweight. Very sheer. You can definitely see through this. So I have another little outfit that comes with a little bow situation. This was listed as $9.99, and this is 6 to 9 months. So this cute little purple shirt that has like the little bell sleeves, and then these pants. Ugh. Struggling to show you guys. So that's her right there. These are so cute. And the pockets are actual pockets. I don't like, what do babies need pockets for? What they putting in these pockets? One of my friends said a pacifier. Like that pacifier is gonna have so much lint on it, girl, bye. But these are cute. I can't wait to see her in that. So the next things that I'm going to show you guys are basically the same things over and over again, just different colors and maybe different sizes. Oh, I only got one of this item actually. So this was listed for $6.99. This is a 6 to 9 month, and the color said ginger, so it's just a short sleeve shorts version of some of the other stuff that I'm going to show you. Rhodes material. It's nice and soft, and it has like the cute little buttons. I'm going to show you a bunch of short sets, and these were all listed as clearance for $3.99. So the first three I have are in 3 to 6 months, and it's just different colors. So we have the like mint blue situation, or sage, whatever color you want to call it. It kind of, in certain lighting it looks a little sage, and then other lighting it looks It looks mint to me, so I'm not sure about that. Same thing, but pink. Same size. And then we have like a mustard or a gold situation. Next, I have that same pink once again in 6 to 9 months for $3.99. I was just like, okay, let's do it. Let's do it, whatever. And then I have that same like mint in 9 to 12 months. And then lastly, a new color, y'all. I have gray, and the gray is in 12 to 18 months. Okay, so these last items are all the same thing, just different colors and different sizes. And these were all listed as $7.99, I think. So this first one says newborn. I don't remember buying this one, or I don't remember getting newborn size at least. So it's just a black little long sleeve situation, the 2 cute little buttons. And then have it in 0 to 3 months. I've been loving this like color for some reason. I'm drawn to this color every time I see it. Ooh. Also 0 to 3 months. These look kind of big though, so they don't look outrageously big like the 2 things I showed in the beginning, but they look like the baby might have a little bit of room. This is also 0 to 3 months. And then these last 2 are 3 to 6. Cute, cute, cute. So that's everything that I recently got from PatPat. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to order again, but the stuff that I have, I'm not too mad at the quality of. Just those first 2 things, the sizing looks crazy to me, and then that little rainbow patch, that looks ridiculous. But other than that, everything else, I'm so far, you know, the baby's not here yet, but I'm so far okay with the quality of everything. And then, like I said, I had a pretty decent coupon, so it wasn't that expensive anyway. I have quite a few more baby hauls coming up, so stick around if you're interested in seeing all the things that we have purchased thus far for the baby. And I will see you guys in the next video.